So, you may be having some problems with your Ego battery and you might be noticing a flashing red light. Well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So, the first thing that you want to do is you may want to try a reset here. So, the very first thing you should do is attempt a reset. Now, most Ego batteries here can do this by pressing and holding the power button for about 5 to 7 seconds. This actually helps clear out any temporary glitches that might be causing the flashing red light. Now, if the light stops after this, your battery is good to go again. Now, if that doesn't work, next thing that you want to do is you may want to let it cool. Now, if the reset doesn't work for you, think about how recently you used the battery. Now, if it's still warm from heavy use, the flashing red light could simply be a warning light that it's overheated. So set the battery aside in a cool, dry place for a while and give it time to return to normal temperature before trying to charge it again. Now, also, you may want to check your charger. Sometimes the problem isn't the battery at all, it's the charger. So if you have access to another Ego charger, try plugging the battery into that one. Now, if flashing red light disappears, it basically basically charges normally here, then you know the original charger was the actual issue. Now, also, you may want to jump starting it. So it's just quite advanced here, but if the battery is deeply drained and the charger won't recognize it, you might need to jump start it. So this involves briefly connecting your low battery to a fully charged Ego battery with a wire. Now, just long enough to bring the voltage up. Now, once the battery has a bit of charge here, your regular charger should be able to detect it and continue charging normally. Now, be cautious with this step as it's more advanced specs here, and also be careful. And finally, if none of this actually work, you may want to contact support. If you tried all the previous steps here and the red light is still flashing, then the battery may have a deeper fault here. Now at this point, your best move is to contact Ego customer support and they can walk you through any additional troubleshooting. And if the battery is defective, they will advise you on repair or replacement under warranty. But yeah, so that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.